Hello guys, Monzo makes it super easy to send and receive money instantly in 2025. Whether you're splitting bills, paying friends, or moving money between your accounts, here's exactly how to do it step by step. Open the Monzo app, tap Payments, then tap Pay Someone on Monzo. Select a contact from your phone or enter their details. The money arrives instantly. No need to wait, even outside banking hours. Now, Monzo's Monzo.me link lets you send payment requests to people who don't use Monzo. Just tap Request Money, generate your personal link, and share it. They can pay you instantly using any debit card, no Monzo account needed. For people who aren't on Monzo, you can also send money using a standard bank transfer. Go to Payments, click Pay by Bank Transfer, and enter their short code and account number. Monzo uses faster payments, so it usually arrives within seconds. Now, tap Request under Payments tab, select your contact, and enter the amount. If they are Monzo user, they will get instant notification. For non-Monzo users, you can send them your Monzo.me link to make payment quick and easy. Now, Monzo's shared tabs are perfect for tracking group spending. Create a tab, add your friends, and Monzo automatically splits expenses and keeps a running total. When you settle up, payments are instant between Monzo accounts. Final verdict, Monzo's instant payments, Monzo.me links, and shared tabs make splitting bills, requesting payments, and sending money faster than most banks. Whether your friends use Monzo or not, it's one of the quickest, easiest way to handle personal payments in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.